the issue of fixing the country, it has become public speaking now. Fix here, fix that, fix. They are talking a lot. How do you see that movement?
Why not? Because it depends on what you want fixed.
Okay.
Sebi, achichidie ewo ni ope. Odadambrane ewo di ope. Sebi, amukua ewo di ope. But for me, it is about leadership. Leadership must prioritize the issues. And I can say, for example, fixing Accra. Court is starting here. And the own Nankasani General Secretary, John Wedu, Nanka Opese, or the Nanu Rem say, hey, you better lose votes. And Adam Buchi no more ban say, Master, forget about votes. You see, we have turned this whole politics into votes. Mm-hmm. So we can't do anything. Me yeah. Was saying, the person voted for you to help him or her. Just let the person know that the ameye no, unti na ameye o. Eka president nkwa and as ministers nkwa, what do they really lose? Almost the cantonments. Any Roman ridge, any one. But it's for you and I. Hanumia kwanwe so, any a boss kunkora, ya ni esu, say any bridge. Ya bridge in a year. O say the baby fabric so. Na ube hu about time. Sebe no or the 9 etra. Sir, a parapet. I mean, why? Why are we doing that to ourselves? And the problem is here. The fixing, no matter, is here. All the nations that have been developed is because they fix this one first. If we don't fix this one first, Master, you better see all the skyscrapers way better saying because this one has not been fixed. Mindset transformation for nation building. You know, if I say Nicodemus, you see he was a man well schooled. He understood the law. He understood everything. But Osoriano pa anajo, eko Yesu Christo. This one is who can say until we are born again, we can't see heaven or we can't see the face of God. Is that when am I going to go back into my mother's womb? And I used to say, you see the mindset?
Sure.
And I used to say, Debbie, it's not about going back into your mother's womb. What is of the flesh is of the flesh.
Sure.
And what is of the spirit is of the spirit. Because if you go back to your mother's womb, even if you can go back and she gives birth to you again, it will still be of the flesh.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So what is of the spirit is of the spirit, what is of the flesh? Now this is a man who was well schooled, but he went to Christ to seek knowledge and understanding. So at the time of your birth, you didn't understand anything. If now you've grown, when you now otiase say, look, Nyankopon bi wo ho, Yesu Christo abeje enkwa, and you decide to be born of the spirit, that is the new birth. It doesn't mean that you have to go back into your mother's womb. Ghana, where we are now, we have to seek knowledge. Okay, your national anthem. You see, God bless our homeland Ghana.
Yeah.
Make the nation great and strong. Bold to defend forever the cause of freedom and of rights. Fill our hearts with true humility. Make us cherish fearless honesty. And help us to resist oppressors' rule with all our will and might forevermore. Say a bomb match and you can't say national anthem. A young bomb match ni national anthem. I don't know. You see, God bless our homeland Ghana. We have national pledge now. We can't be so help me God.
Yeah.
Now, so it means at the birth of this country, Ghana, no, the God factor, the forefathers, founding fathers understood the God factor. So they gave us God. Where have we factored God today in nation building? President Mills came, look, for 34 months we had single-digit inflation. There was a national day for prayer and thanksgiving. Said every year, every year, at least one day, Enina yan kambo mo Independence Square. Niam bom pa niam frenyame. O sorry no power ini by 4 a.m. no sorry. Obey exercise kakra. Na oya morning devotion. Breakfast. Ye nantini could do office ni year. Ye besa bom pa a short one. O se nyankopon. I'm your vessel. Me wakwa. Me osumfo. O mine wo dia. Wo de share me sanse me ye djuma bi ma. Bibia me be ya no pai ekope manajo. E wadjuma na me yo. Boame.
That was the prayer from.
That was the prayer
from the late Professor.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
And for 34 months, we had single-digit inflation, stable currency, reserves. Ubi Al Jazeera, BBC, CNN. Ghana was there, was a showcase. Masa, sebe yeni pada se ni from somebody a film because we are human. But there is the God factor. Where have we put God at the center of nation building? And those are some of the things that we shouldn't joke with at all. No problem. We believe that it has gotten to the point that we must reintroduce the God factor, the religious and moral education. President Mills was able to tell what's his name? David Cameron in the face, Master, to hell with your gay blah blah.
Legalization.
I'm telling you, we don't need your money. That is resisting oppressor's rule. It's there in our national anthem. Resist the oppressor's rule. Now, the oppressor this time alone is not only about the white man. Even locally, who are the oppressors? We ourselves, we are oppressing ourselves. A certain part of the media, and I make earlier on, they see nothing good. No matter which government is in power, they see nothing good. Start a project now. They will do everything to bring it down. Why? Just because you have access to a microphone and a console, no. And because if from so media should be a mistake.
Yeah.
Sure. Graphic. It to be a mistake. No much exactly a rejoinder.
Yeah.
No more patch.
Sure.
Times the same thing. Chronicle. So why is it that some set of media people think that they don't make mistakes? They don't make mistakes in the country. Who deceived them that they don't make mistakes? Who told them that they are clean? Why are they in just apologize and let's move on? But near the Namha, it doesn't get us anywhere. And we spend quality time on trivialities. That's all. Quality time from Anopa to Anaju, triviality because we have microphone and we have console. So let's run somebody down. To what extent? And then you get it. So
why are we politicizing everything?
Exactly. We have politicized everything. We have politicized everything in this country has become MPP, NDC. And now starting here, on mention MPP Kawa, actually NDC Kawa, Magana Yakari, and the NTR CMU, and the Namha. That is why I'm saying that the fight against Galamsey, for example.
Yeah, no, we were coming there.
Exactly. The fight against Galamsey, Maza. Say, if we're not careful in the next 10, 15 years, you're back crying you. Petro, any Yama, you're crack, you're back crying you. Now you shall be good. The tanker, Beto, Samahabo, Semino, young court, Tamabo, young court, any say.
Padu was saying.
That is why I respect Nana Asantini, Otumfo. Our ministers, me no be corner ho. Omugam some kwa, omuni ne kakan sem bi ekukwem. E na mo catch in na naipa ocho. Sa asem we ye ba okwa abonti amenka. Oba abonti na obeka ye. So if you really want to fight this Galamsey menace, why do you come to my palace and come and whisper certain things into my ears and tell me that when I go outside, I shouldn't say it? Then you are not interested in fighting the thing.
Yeah.
Because that is the real issue.
Yeah.
So, Master, I sat in cabinet for 4 years, graciously so, under the Mills presidency. Master, it's not, first of all, let me just state on record, Master, it's not easy. I'm telling
to
you.
rule a country.
Oh, Master, it is not easy. Obi did that was say, Master, governance is not easy. It is not easy. When you sit in that cabinet meeting and take decisions. Look, I remember this event is a airport. Sorry. Civil aviation.
Okay.
Assassinate or actually, but you have